Proper spray techniques are critical to ensuring consistent finishing results. First, make sure your gun is the proper distance from the piece, between 8 to 10 inches away. Next, make sure your gun is always perpendicular to the piece. This means your gun should move across the piece. Never spray at an angle. This will result in uneven application. Always start your spray off the piece, then move across the piece, maintaining the same speed and distance. After you have moved off the piece, stop your spray. You will want to overlap your pattern as you return across the piece by about 50% to ensure a uniform finish. Immediately after application, you will need to check your spray results to ensure your coating is the correct depth. This is done with a wet film gauge. A wet film gauge has small teeth set to different heights. Press it against the wet film, keeping it perpendicular to the surface and parallel to the grain. Then press the wet film gauge onto a piece of paper. This will leave wet marks. The last wet mark visible is the amount of wet mils that were applied. As always, refer to the product information sheet for recommendations on the proper amount of coating. Consistently practicing these basic spray techniques will give you the foundation for outstanding results.